sure to cook.
Welcome back to another episode of Be Sure to Cook. Today, we're going to make a quick and easy apple crisp pie. So stay tuned and let's do this. We're going to start off with an 8x6 glass pan. We're going to spray it with some non-stick spray at the bottom so it will not stick with the crust. Okay, I've got some store-bought pie crust and I've already set it out to make sure that the pie crust is completely unthawed, because when you buy that into the freezer, it is completely frozen. I'm only going to use the bottom. So I've got a little knife here, which is a kind of like a pizza knife, which is so cool, guys. And I'm just going to take, you can use a knife. It don't have to be a pizza knife or whatever. You can use any knife you want. Okay, I've already cut out my dough, and I had to take a spatula and kind of get it out from the bottom of this. I'm going to lay this dough and press it down. Keep pressing it down into the bottom of the pan because I only want the bottom. I don't want the top. Got some healthy hard butter, and it's margarine. You can use real butter if you want. You want to whip that up, make sure that's soft. And I've got my little brush here, and I'm going to just brush the bottom of this. Now, I've already had non-stick spray from the bottom, so it won't do a lot of sticking. I've got a 20-ounce can of pie filling. Quickest thing, if you like doing it fresh, just go ahead and you can cut up your apples and do it fresh and do all that if you want to. This is a quick and easy recipe. I'm using a whole can of apple filling, and make sure you get the ones that have really good apples in them. Read them. Sometimes they have extra apples. You know, you get all that good filling in. Okay, I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of sugar. Stir it because this is already a pre-sweetened pie, so I just want to add a little bit more. I like mine extra sweet. 1/4 teaspoon of allspice, teaspoon of cinnamon, spoon of nutmeg. I'm going to stir all these dry ingredients up and get it nice and together. Tablespoon of my margarine butter. So in this margarine butter, it's not it's good butter. I love this butter, but this is for a healthy hard butter that I get, you know, for omega-3s and a lot of this. And you can tell it's changing. It'll change a different color. A teaspoon of good vanilla. Make sure this is vanilla extract or pure vanilla. You want to use a good vanilla. Make sure you stir this up real good. It should become a different color than the pie filling itself. Now, if you want to double this ingredient, just double the amount of cans that you use, using the same ingredients if you want, or you can double all the ingredients together. We have our pan here, and we're going to put our filling mix inside, and it's going to make, and that butter and all that great stuff is going to make it nice and juicy when it comes out. This is not going to be, nothing's going to be dry at all. After I put this in here, I'm going to spread this out very evenly, making sure that the juice and everything is going to get in here, and I'm going to make sure everything is even. In the oven, 350 degrees while we make the topping for this pie. Okay, I've got another bowl here, and here is my secret. The secret, and you don't have to go through all that mess, a couple seasons here, a couple of this here, is I've got an instant pack of oats and cinnamon right in here. I meant to say apple and cinnamon quick oats because it's all in there together. So just put 1 pack of that, and let's go ahead and doctor this up. 1/2 teaspoon of sugar because you want to make sure those oats are really, really good. Sprinkle of nutmeg. You want to put a little bit of that in there. I want to just stir this up because it's already got cinnamon all in there and apples. A little butter that I had, the extra, I'm just going to put like a teaspoon of already melted butter. Remember that? I'm giving it like a little wetness there because this is going to go on top of my pie. I got my crumble. It's been baking for a while. Oops, I spilled some crumble. I'm not going to like that. Look at that. I'm taking the crumble and I want to put the crumble on top. And if it's not a crumble, you can also use 2 packs. Doing the same thing, just use 2 packs of it and then put your crumble on. And then there you go. Stick it back in here for another 15 minutes. Okay, our pie's out of the oven. It is still warm. I can hold it, but it's still really warm at the bottom. I can't touch it too much because it burns, but it's nice and warm. It's not that hot. I mean, it is hot, but not that hot. I've got a little ice cream here to go on the side. I put just a teeny bit of cinnamon on it to let you know we have an apple crisp. I'm going to go ahead and try to cut it here. See, it's still juicy. It is not, where it's all thick. Now people get that, where it's all thick in your face. So like big old thick pie with no wetness. It's just like dry. And I cut it a little bit. And there is, and I'm going to set it down like so. And there is my crust that goes on the bottom of that. That's what it looks like inside. I still have the crust like a pie, but the crunch as a crumble on top. So here is my apple cinnamon crunch pie with my vanilla ice cream with just a little bit of decoration on top, and it was just a little cinnamon. You can do the nutmeg, you can do whatever you want, but hey, here it is. Enjoyed this dish, and I hope you come back for plenty more dishes. Because guess what? I didn't make this cinnamon crunch pie alone. You and me, we did this together. And we can do many more dishes. All you got to do is stay tuned and come back. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hey guys, see you next time. Bye.